Artificial intelligence, or AI, has become an integral part of our lives, revolutionizing various industries and transforming the way we interact with technology. But the question remains, is AI truly useful, or does it pose risks and limitations? First, we talk about the benefits of AI. AI has proven to be highly useful in numerous domains. One of its key strengths lies in its ability to analyze vast amounts of data quickly and accurately. Second, AI in healthcare. In healthcare, AI assists doctors in diagnosing diseases with greater precision and speed. It can analyze medical records, symptoms, and even genetic information to identify potential risks and suggest personalized treatments. Third, AI in manufacturing. AI has also revolutionized manufacturing processes, enhancing productivity and safety. Intelligent robots can perform repetitive tasks with precision, reducing human error and increasing overall efficiency. Fourth, AI in everyday. In our daily lives, AI is present in the form of virtual assistants, such as Siri or Alexa, which help us manage tasks, control smart devices, and provide personalized recommendations. Fifth, the ethical dilemma. However, the use of AI raises ethical concerns. It's crucial to strike a balance between advancement and responsibility. 6. Bias and fairness. AI systems can be biased, reflecting the biases present in the data they are trained on. We must ensure fairness and inclusivity by continuously monitoring and improving AI algorithms to avoid perpetuating societal inequalities. 7. Security and privacy. With AI's increasing capabilities, we need to address security and privacy concerns. Safeguarding sensitive information from potential misuse is of utmost importance. 8. The human element. While AI brings advancements, it can never replace human creativity, empathy, and intuition. 9. AI as a collaborative tool. AI should be seen as a powerful tool to augment human capabilities, allowing us to focus on higher-order tasks and creative problem-solving. In conclusion, AI is undeniably useful, providing significant benefits in healthcare, manufacturing, and everyday life. However, we must be cautious, ensuring fairness, addressing ethical concerns, and embracing AI as a collaborative tool to unlock its true potential. The choice lies in our hands to harness the power of AI responsibly and shape a future that benefits us all.